So me say, what kind of sabotage thing this? So what kind of setup thing this? You understand?
That's the security girl,
the security girl, like them get orders. So when we are perform, K-Queen slack gone. Only get me say people? No ban no day. Ban. Done. But when I go say woman fight for the band them for my people them full of band. You understand? But people have to understand what I want. The fight is real. You understand? The fight is real. It's not a joke thing.
Welcome to Lion4 TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Babes, having you in my life is like a blessing from above. I enjoy and cherish every moment when we're making love. It's real. This is how I feel. Fucking you.
Let's celebrate greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion4 TV. We say give thanks to the African strength. Give thanks for another day, you see me? Yes, man, 30th of October, Saturday, blessed Sabbath, yeah, man. One day to go for the new year. Happy New Year to everyone. If you're new to the platform, please consider likes, share, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? Hit the bell. So, me big up all the liar fans on the platform. Yeah, man. Coming up in this episode, my viewers and subscribers, we have K-Queens, talented artists, and I mean, very experienced in the game, waiting for that big break. I share them experience, disappointment at Sting, how they were treated unprofessionally, you know? Yeah, man, so I'm going to hear them and say, you can respond in the comment section below. You see me? We saw Tanya Stevens came out and also share her experience when she did work at Sunfest. So she wasn't treated professionally, no tickets, and she was booked for the event. You know what I mean? So I'm going to hear K-Queens, but before that, I'm going to please go check out my single. If you haven't done so yet, the music video. This is when I say happiest, man. Pick up all of the couples them out there, the lovers them, is it? Yeah, man, so bang bang.
It's so enjoyable. Your pussy comfortable. It not grumpy or miserable. Me say fucking you, girl.
I can't start that now, sister. Alright, top of the morning peeps, Let me tell you what really go on this morning as thing. Okay. We're flying yesterday. Morning cash. We're flying yesterday. Last night we're flying, right? We go so boom. Link. Enough for this morning, yesterday morning. And said enough for all the thing go our time frame. Or the past them go that at about 9 o'clock this morning. Enough for say. Link for link blase blah. I make my phone call, they make my link. Them say K-Queens. I saw me the past them reach and I call me back. Because of boom. Call him back. They must say call him back. Right? So anyway, it happened that sister be a go around thing. I go on. So I make two link now and say no this a go on from bad to worse.
No, I tell you about it.
Not tell you go on. So I say no I just since me up on the show. And then I can't get nobody to get no pass. So I make one time, make a phone call and say, yo, the pass them say the pass them done. Remember them say the pass them done. That them say no people, them say the pass them done. So I say, oh, the pass them for done, I want to get no pass. Anyway, enough is say.
For the show.
I will book for the show. So, enough is say, Queens know about that on the book for the show. Just go on, wait till now have a problem. Anyway, we reach at the gate. And we say, K-Queens. Them say, yeah man, K-Queens. I say, them say, wanna have no armband them Queens. I say, no. We just fly in, we not get an armband. So, they know the bargain. I say, alright, them, yeah, K-Queens, I don't book for the show, but then I have an armband. I say, them say, we book for the show, and we cannot perform without an armband. I will book for the show, do the maths. Anyway, I hold my calm. You understand? So after that, we go some woman, them let in our car, we go in. After we go in, we still can't go backstage, the stage go perform, because them say we have no band. We can't go past this. So. You understand?
So performance are going.
And we can't get for backstage, can't get for talk to nobody, can't get for do nothing. Right? Remember them say, big thing, them tell you, say, where artists by them should have put on, them say the past, them done. So anyway, I say, what kind of styling thing now? I don't say nothing. You understand, because humility are the key. I say, Leng say, come Queens, alright, I suit, full time to perform. I say, okay, good, no problem. Anyway, I did come through, after I come through, no, you know, say,
no, Leng say to us, say, Leng, you know, say, our
because you know, say,
man, so.
You know, say, my mother forward will be, say, no, say, everybody come with me for good. So I say, Leng get 2 more pass, my mother forward in or whatever. Him say, now walk so far, just tell him, say, go for them and bring them at the gate, yeah. Anyway, I go for them, bring them at the gate. Still problem can't go in. You understand? So anyway, me hear donkey that they perform. So I say, alright then, or nothing tell me say the set supposed to be is either we perform before or after. So me hear donkey that they perform and I say, shoot, alright now, I must over time now. So I go say boom now, I have to run left everything.
Left your body
at the gate, head to the stage. When I head to the stage now, I say, alright, when I reach the stage. Backstage me there, you understand them bar we have. When she perform, when Donkey Dolly perform, I say, alright then. When she done, I must be next. When Donkey Dolly come off our stage, and bar we off. Then bar we off, we cannot perform next. So I say to Leng, we have to perform next, you know, wagwan. Leng say, wait, Queen, just wait. Just wait a little. Anyway, I say, when Donkey Dolly come out, I say, Chuck Fender go on, and I say, bring them again. Forgot that artist name. 2 artists perform, right? So I say, what kind of sabotage thing this? So what kind of setup thing this? You understand?
So the security girl,
like them get orders. You see me I say, cause she just come off of the stage, the right thing, all the lineup, and we for perform next. You understand? But we can't go backstage, we go perform, nothing. We have an artist, but no fine, like it, we still can't perform. You understand? So anyway, I say to the host, say, wagwan, them I say, oh, the person, they say the person, the next, so to them say. So I say, so when we perform, Cake Queen slack gone. Only get me say people?
No, listen up, Bucket. When I run out Panari,
no, she done perform.
She done perform already.
When she done perform, and we for go on next. So when she come off now, me say, are we next? She come off and they did not want us to go back there after she come off a stage. So them say,
the plan was us not to perform at all.
So the plan was not for us to perform. Come here, call from a reach a Jamaica, come here, call and I ask what time our performance time, and me can't get no time from a reach a Jamaica. Me call and me say first me say what the past there, what time of performance, me can't hear nothing. Nothing me can't hear. So I say, what really are going? Them tell them say, Cake Queen, just wait. I be wait, you know.
Big set up my phone.
Wait. So I say, well, really, I got them really a style that the man in here. So when I see them a style, I go, I just hold it and me humble about, because I see what I go on. And I give a time for them, and I'm going to tell me, say, no pass band. They say, I go some woman really go get the pass band. They say, the person who control the band, them have a box full of band. What me say? A box full of band. And them say, no band no day. Band done. But when I go some woman fight for the band, them for my people, them full of band. Anyway, we did it. You know, the general perform, because I have him said. So I say, you know what? I still have to run, go on and give the people, because the fans them out and the fans them wanted. People in my ball say, where the Queens them there? I still have to run and just shoot 2 things, and that was it. You understand? But people have to understand what I want. The fight is real. You understand? The fight is real. It's not a joke thing. It's not a joke thing in that man. In a way you see them, I go look at you and tell you, say, them can't give you no time for you when you perform.
And daddy gate.
And your daddy
know, say, Cake
and them know. Say, my daddy gate. My daddy gate, and I look at you and tell you, say, we can't come in because we don't have a band. And we book on the show. Oh, that even makes sense. Oh, that makes sense. We have, we're there on the show, and I say we can't come because we don't have no band. Oh, that word. I would have the time frame. We don't have them. Me say, oh, lag for man. Me say, Leng, what time our performance time? For man, and them I say, wait.
Yeah, but here my TLC TV, even if there was so much artist performance, everybody know and them granny know what going on.
Yeah, everybody know what is going on. You understand? It now go take nothing more than it not take nothing out of nobody said. It's ridiculous, but it was all planned.
Everybody knows everybody knows once Donkey Dolly come off, they know our next.
Once Donkey Dolly come off stage, they know it's K Queen supposed to perform. Next is either we before her or after her. Everybody knows that. Everybody know that, but them know what's going to happen in the morning. Them know so whether got clarity and them try stop it.
Oh, God bless no
but
man.
Oh, God bless no man curse. They never stop nothing because God they don't know so that thing that was set and go on the way they already. You understand? Him they already know. But all me know say no face from them I look at me and tell me big thing I look at me and tell me say the past them done. This alone me know say this is the sabotage real already for morning. Oh big thing I tell me say past done. Them not the pass. Oh,
remember saying no host na call we and either.
Remember this morning no host na call we and I run me run off
walk on.
And said no the fans them have to get suck me, you know.
Not even all did want.
You understand? The general never did it. When general say Queens or was it don't work? Mr. General will work. Him say what you say? Him couldn't believe so when work. Sham asked the same thing. Nitty cut them bed and say Queens or what go on. I say what really are going. Everybody backstage. See what go on.
After Donkey Dolly come off. Like the people in backstage and say, yo, the
Queens them know. Everybody backstage and say, yo, the Queens them know. The Queens them know. Right, the security them bar we off. Bar we off. You understand? And besides, so we're not working. You understand? So it was all a planting with Donkey Dolly and our friends them. It was all a plan.
Yeah.
You understand?
Here I see it for our sisters where I say true. You see the lineup with upcoming artists, it was so drawn out.
Oh my God.
You understand? As they say, it was so drawn out. So I thought certain spot, but me said that for Sid said this. Everybody don't know the lineup war go on already. You know, so once Donkey Dolly perform,
we next.
And I
simple match that.
My son and a run up a go on.
And a run up, she done walk.
She done perform.
So when you say done work, who's supposed to perform after people? Wanna tell me? After she done work, who for come on after?
Talk to you.
You know who them come off? I think by name again?
No, you have Chuck Fender
and a Turbulence perform after people. Turbulence.
I know, so why this and this, so the gear shift.
The gear shift. And after Turbulence, a Chuck Fender. The gear
Bugle.
Shift. And Bugle. So I said to them, see, one night time, say, you know, throw in even at the slack behind Maka. I think that what they tell them. You understand them? I say, oh, you know, after Maka, I think Capleton or whatever. I said, no man, this is a joke. So the people, the fight is real. You understand? From a reach, I try, but I know something wrong from Marley, from Jump Street. From a car, the man I say, yo, one more time for him. You understand? Because remember, I know, say, we don't live here. We live in the States. You understand? So, you know, we come last night, so everything kind of last minute. Everything was done last minute. But I never think I have a problem. Everybody I get contact. You understand? People, them cars, we get the phone call and say, no, if we say, Queens, see the ticket here, do this way. So, my link and say, all the ticket pass them, say, okay, Queens, we're going to get your pass them. So, I say, time ago. You understand? I say, this weird. I say, 3 o'clock. I call 3 o'clock again and say, all the past them go, time ago, you know, all the past them go.
From 9
o'clock this morning, I about passing. And I say, okay, Queens, they don't good enough from 9 o'clock this morning. We are asked about our past. When I say 3 something again, I call them 2 times. I say, no, so I'm not call them back again. Go round, a circle. I'm say, no, so I'm not call them again.
Big up the K Queens, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. If you don't want to hear the rest of the live, just go over the K Queens page. You see me? You know K Queens, I have been around them. Yeah, you see me? And around the ANG Alliance, Sharon Burks. You see me? I say, yeah, solid agency. So, some real girls, them, you see me? I say, sisters, them want to try hard, you know, and the music business, as well them say, it's wicked, it's rough. Only for sabotage and go and blackmail, fight against, hold down. And for the woman, them, the female artists, them wickeder than the man, them, you see me? Yes, man. So let me know what you think still. If you think a sabotage in go on or just unorganized or unprofessional, is it? Or if the angel have something to do with it. Honestly speaking, I don't think the angel have nothing to do with it. I just think it's unorganized or the people don't rate them to that extent. You see me answer? Yes. That's just my honest opinion, what I think. You see me? But let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know, the man of peace. Lion foot. Blessed love.